legendary name returns to the trails. The 2026 Yamaha DT175MX is back, blending old-school charm with new-school capability. Is this the lightweight adventure machine we've been waiting for? Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Today, we're diving into a motorcycle that's generating serious buzz among enthusiasts: design. Starting with design, Yamaha has done something special here. The DT175MX pays homage to its iconic predecessor with retro-inspired bodywork and that unmistakable high-mount fender. Yet, modern touches shine through. Sharper graphics, LED lighting, and refined proportions give it fresh appeal. The slim profile keeps weight low, and the ergonomics feel natural whether you're standing on pegs or seated. It looks ready for adventure straight from the factory. Performance. On to performance, the fuel-injected 175cc single-cylinder engine delivers punchy, accessible power that's perfect for trails, back roads, and city streets. Lightweight construction means nimble handling through tight sections, while the long-travel suspension soaks up rough terrain confidently. Throttle response is crisp, and the 6-speed transmission shifts smoothly. This bike encourages exploration. Features and technology. For features and technology, Yamaha keeps things practical. A compact digital display provides essential information clearly. You get reliable disc brakes front and rear, adjustable suspension, and excellent fuel efficiency for extended range. It's straightforward, dependable, and built to handle real-world riding conditions. Conclusion. The 2026 Yamaha DT175MX proves that sometimes simpler is better. It's fun, approachable, and genuinely capable off the beaten path. Would you take this bike on your next adventure? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, share it with your riding crew, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more content. See you next time!